Hello guys, today I will be making a spoon out of just a scrap piece of wood. And if you've noticed, I've not been uploading lately. I just have a lot of things that I'm doing. But then I have a project to upload, and that's attempting to make a spoon. After my really bad drawing of a spoon, I'm just gonna get a gouge and simply rough out the shape. And as you can see there, I made a mistake with going too far and it broke out there. So just be careful next time. This is like my second try making a spoon ever. So yeah. And then I'll just simply clean it up with a hook knife. And then you get on with shaping, which is probably the boring part or long part. You can just get a hatchet or a big knife in a chopping block, or you could also just get a small carving knife and very slowly carve out all the details. But using a big knife or a hatchet to carve it out, especially if you're just like removing material and wasting material, it's a lot faster. You can also use chisels, and there's many ways to do this. And once you get closer to your lines, just be more careful. And after that, I bring it to some rough sandpaper. And then the fine sandpaper. And right here, I'm just applying a wax finish. And if you wanna eat with this, which I'm not really gonna eat using this, you would want to find some sort of food safe finish for this. But then, I'm trying to do some research and it says that any finish is safe once it's fully dry. Even stuff like shellac, polyurethane. But I hope you can do your own research because I'm not an expert of food safe finishes. So yeah. So just to show you, this is the spoon that I made before. It's so fat and stuff, and I made this even, I'm pretty sure, before the channel started. The channel started August 2020, and I think I started woodworking February, March, April. I got the tools April, but I started the workshop March 2020. So I wasn't really that into woodworking yet here. So yeah, and it's my first try, so that's good. But I really like the one that I did today. You know, there's some spots where there's some further smoothing required, but I can still make more in the future. The only hard thing with this is it's very time consuming, especially I haven't made a lot yet. But yeah, I'm really happy with what I got here, and yeah. Thank you for watching. This is just me trying to learn how to carve spoons. Bye.